Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, good morning everyone. How are you? Hope you are always stay healthy, stay safe, and always be ready to learn new materials today. Well, here, today we will learn about the next materials about the passive voice. This is the next part of previous meeting. Well, yesterday we have already learned about passive voice in a five tense. In a what is that? In simple present, simple past, in present continuous, future, and perfect. So here today we will learn about the four tenses about the passive voice. Hope you still remember about the previous meeting about five tenses about passive voice. So, are you ready? Okay, hope you are always be ready to learn new materials. So here, in a past continuous tense, the pattern in the active form is subject plus to be, was or were, plus verb ing, because it is continuous, so the verb should be in the form of verb ing, and plus object. So in the passive, it changes to be subject plus was or were. So remember, in the past, the to be should be was or were, and the plus being. Being it's to replace verb ing in the active form. So here in the passive form, the verb ing replaced to being, and the plus verb 3, plus by, plus pronouns. Well, for example, like in the active form, I was studying physics. Okay, I was studying physics. In a passive form, it should be physics was being studied by me. Okay, the active, I was studying physics. In the passive, physics first to be object. In a passive should be changed to be subject in the first line. Physics was, because this is in the past continuous, so the to be should be was. Physics was being studied by me. Okay? Get it? Are you getting it? Do you get it? Okay. Next, to the past perfect tense. So here, in the pattern past perfect tense, the active subject plus had, because this is perfect, the to be is had, plus verb 3, plus object. So in the passive, subject plus had plus been, because this is in the past perfect, so the passive should be there are had and all and been, plus verb 3 or past participle, plus by, plus object and pronouns. For example, like I had bought ticket concert. So in the passive, the ticket concert in the line of bottom in the to be object. So in the passive should be to be subject. In the passive, the object to be subject. So ticket concert to be object in the first line. So in the passive, the ticket concert to be subject. Ticket concert had been bought by me. So here, the ticket concert plus had been plus verb 3 bought plus by plus me, because in the active form use subject I, so in the passive form it changed to be pronouns me. So I changed to be me in the pronouns. Okay? Next, to the future continuous tense. So here, the pattern in the active form, subject plus to be. This is the to be is because this is future continuous tense, so the to be is am and are. Okay, in the past, The to be is was or were. Okay. Plus going to plus verb 1 plus object. So in the future continuous tense, it seems like almost similar with the simple present continuous. But the difference is that in the form of going to. So here in the simple present tense, subject plus to be plus verb 1. So in the future continuous tense, it changes to be subject plus to be plus going to, because this is continuous, so it should be there is going to plus verb 1. So in the simple present continuous, it's adding verb ing, the verb changes to be verb ing. So here in the future continuous tense, the verb still stay in the verb 1, but there is so we will but we should add going to. Okay, so in the passive, subject plus to be, the to be what is am and are. Okay, plus going to, I'm so sorry, this is should be going to, yes, plus verb 3 plus by plus object or pronouns. For example, like she is going to take fruits. She is going to take fruits. So in the passive form should be fruits are going to taken by her. Why in the passive voice? Why in the passive form the to be changed to be are? Anyone knows why? The first is use is and the passive use are. Anyone knows why it changed to be are? Okay? Okay, because first is she, in the active, she is the to be is. So when it changes to be passive, fruits become the subject, because fruit is what is that, plural, jamak, or yes, jamak or plural. It should use to be are, because jamak use are and plural, singular or tunggal use is or am. But am, it's really rare to use in the passive. Then fruits are going to taken, because verb 3 or past participle of verb of take is taken. Take, took, taken. Remember that. And then plus by, and the pronouns she to be changed to be her. So here fruits are going to taken by her. Okay. Next, to the next slide. Okay, this is the last slide of our of material today. Future perfect tense. Well, the pattern in the active form, subject plus will plus have plus verb 3 plus object. So in the passive, it changes to be subject plus will plus have plus been plus verb 3 and plus object. This is the complete one of the passive voice, because there are will, there is will, have, there been, and so this is the complete one. So be careful if you do or the passive voice. For example, like active, in the active form, I will have both motorcycle. I will have both motorcycle. So in the passive form, it changes to be motorcycle will have been bought by me. Okay, motorcycle will have been. So if it is in the active, there is will have. So in the passive, it just adding been with it just adding been, and the verb should be verb 3. Fortunately, the verb 3 is same. Yes, motorcycle will have been bought by me. Okay, so here, I understand it. Do you understand? Hope you understand about the material today, about my explanation. Well, any questions so far before I close this video? Okay. You can ask everything you want that related to passive voice to WA group or chat me privately, and I will reply soon. So, before I close this video, I have some exercise to you. I have sent after you watch this the end of this video. I will send you exercise about passive voice. Hope you can practice and learn about the passive voice. So before I close, thank you for your nice attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.